Hi, I'm Arman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a few important tips on how to grow cucumbers without getting it bitter. Most important thing is water. Give your cucumbers lots of water every single day. Tip 2. Feed your cucumbers with lots of fertilizer. And tip 3. Put lots of trellis so they can climb up. These tips will help your cucumbers not to stress out. Stress to the cucumber means bitter the cucumber. Let me show you how this stressed plant looks. We didn't water the plants for 12 days because of the power outage, no sprinkler system. We could not water it because of the live wires on the ground. Things are not in our control. Let's harvest it and see how it tastes. Oops, don't do to that poor plant. How? Got it. Look at my harvest.